Let me paint two futures for you. Both people are the same age, same degree, same income, but one of them feels calm about money. The other feels constantly stressed. One can handle emergencies without panic. The other is one bad month away from chaos. And here's the crazy part. The difference isn't talent. It isn't luck. It isn't even income. It's 3 money milestones. Quiet milestones that almost nobody talks about, but that completely separate broke young adults from financially secure ones. Today, I'm breaking down the 3 money milestones that change everything, and once you understand them, you'll know exactly where you stand and what to do next. My name is Neo, and I spend way too much time thinking about money, financial security, and why some young adults build stability early while others stay stuck for years. If you're someone who feels stressed about money, unsure if you're doing okay, or confused about what financial progress actually looks like, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give this video a thumbs up if this helps you out. Here's the thing. Most young adults have no idea if they're financially okay. They don't know because nobody taught them milestones. Social media lies. Income feels like progress. Even when you might be thinking, I am paying my bills, so I must be fine. But paying bills isn't success. It's survival. Security starts after survival, and the people who feel secure didn't get there randomly. They crossed specific thresholds. Let's start with the smallest but most important milestone. $1,000 saved, not invested, not spent, not temporary. Just sitting there. Now, you might be thinking, $1,000 doesn't sound like much. And mathematically, you're right. But psychologically, it's massive. According to Federal Reserve data, nearly 40% of adults can't cover a $400 emergency without borrowing. That means $1,000 puts you ahead of millions of people. Before $1,000, every surprise feels like a crisis. One bill ruins the month. Debt becomes the default solution. After $1,000, emergencies become inconveniences. Stress drops immediately. You stop borrowing for small problems. Here's what most people don't realize. This milestone isn't about the money. It's about proof. Proof that you can delay gratification. You can control spending. You can prioritize future you. That identity shift changes everything. Now this is where the real separation happens. This is the milestone that turns anxiety into calm, jobs into choices, money into strategy. 3 to 6 months of living expenses saved. All right, you understand the milestones. You have a target, but how do you accelerate your progress? This is where we go from defense to offense. Deep tip number 1. Attack high-interest debt first. Not all debt is created equal. A mortgage is different from a 25% interest credit card. That credit card isn't just a bill. It's a financial anchor dragging you down. Think of it this way. Paying off a 25% interest debt is like getting a guaranteed 25% return on your money. No investment can promise that. Your action plan. 1. List all your debts. Write down the balance and interest rate for each. 2. Target the highest interest rate. This is the debt avalanche method. Throw every extra dollar you have at it, while paying the minimum on everything else. 3. Once it's gone, roll that payment into the next highest interest debt. You'll create a snowball of payments that clears your debt faster than you thought possible. Deep tip number 2. Make your money work for you the right way. Once your high interest debt is gone and your emergency fund is full, your money needs a job. Sitting in a standard savings account is like having a star athlete on the bench. It is safe, but it's not winning you the game. Your action plan. 1. Open a Roth IRA. This is a retirement account where your money grows tax-free. You contribute with after-tax dollars, and when you withdraw in retirement, it's all yours. No taxes. 2. Invest in low-cost index funds. Don't try to pick winning stocks. You're not a Wall Street trader. Buy the whole market with funds like VTI Vanguard, Total Stock Market Index Fund, or VOA, Vanguard S&P 500. It's the most reliable way to build long-term wealth. 3. Automate your investments. Set up an automatic transfer from your checking account to your IRA every single month. Even $100 a month is a powerful start. This is how wealth is built. Not with one big move, but with thousands of small, consistent ones. Deep tip number 3. Diversify your income streams. Your 9-to-5 job is your foundation, but it shouldn't be your only pillar. Relying on one income source is like standing on a one-legged stool. It's stable until it isn't. This isn't about working 80 hours a week. It's about building systems. Your action plan. 1. Monetize a skill. Are you great at editing, writing, graphic design, or coding? Websites like Upwork or Fiverr can turn those skills into a side income. 2. Start a low-cost business. Think digital products, a niche blog, or a YouTube channel. The goal isn't to get rich overnight. The goal is to create a second stream of income, even if it's just a few $100s a month. That extra cash can be used to supercharge your investments or pay down debt. 3. Invest in dividend-paying stocks. This is more advanced, but eventually, you can own enough of a company that it pays you just for being a shareholder. This is the ultimate goal. Money that makes money while you sleep.